In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently edit and update your budget within a reporting system. Managing your budget effectively is key to maintaining financial health, whether for personal finance, small businesses, or large organizations. So, let's dive straight into the process of updating your budget numbers in a few simple steps. First, we're going to navigate to the Reports section of your system. This is generally where you'll find a variety of documents related to your financial standings, including budgets. So simply log into your system and look for the Reports option in the main menu, typically at the top or side of your screen. Once you're in the Reports section, look for a listing that says Budgets. This is where all your budget information is stored. It might look like a list or a table presenting different categories or years of data. Now that you're in the budgets area, you'll want to select the specific budget that you're looking to update. This might be for a particular department, project, or time period, depending on how your organization has set things up. Once you click on the budget you wish to update, you should see an option to edit. This button is your gateway to making any necessary changes to reflect your current financial situation. Go ahead and click Edit to open up the budget for modifications. At this point, you're in the editing mode and you can start entering the new numbers. Whether you need to increase, decrease, or totally revise some entries, make sure the figures accurately reflect your current needs or projections. Take your time here. Accuracy is important to keep your financial records in check. Also, review all the associated categories, ensuring everything aligns with your updated financial plans. After updating the numbers, double-check your entries. It's a simple yet crucial step to prevent errors that might affect your future planning or reporting. If everything looks good, the next step is to save your changes. You'll usually find a Save button at the bottom or the top of the page. Click this to ensure all your updates are stored correctly. Some systems might prompt a confirmation or ask if you want to finalize these adjustments, so make sure you've covered all bases before confirming. Once saved, your updated budget will be ready for anyone who needs to reference it within your organization or for your personal records. Keeping your budget up to date helps in staying on top of financial goals and responding quickly to any changes in your financial environment. And that's it. You've now successfully edited and saved your budget updates. Thanks for following along, and remember, regularly updating your budget is a great habit to cultivate for better financial management and strategic planning. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or reach out if you have any further questions.